Have you ever noticed that things get more expensive every year but your money doesn't grow as fast? That silent change has a name: inflation. Most people ignore inflation, but it slowly steals their money. Inflation means prices go up over time. And when prices go up, your money buys less. For example, something that cost $100 before might cost $120 later. But your salary doesn't always increase the same way. Inflation happens because more money enters the economy. When there is more money, prices go higher. This means saving money without investing can be dangerous. Your money looks the same but its value is decreasing. Step 1. Understand that cash loses value over time. Step 2. Invest your money to beat inflation. Assets like stocks or businesses can grow faster than inflation. Step 3. Increase your income over time. If your income grows faster than inflation, you win. Inflation never stops, it always exists. That's why understanding it is so important. When you understand inflation, you can protect your money. If you ignore inflation, it will slowly make you poorer.